Hello, this is Aaron, and today in this video, unboxing the iPhone 7. So, there's the top of the box, back of the box, front of the box. Let's open it up. It's owned by Apple in California. Put that aside. There's my new iPhone 7. Let's take it out of the box. So here's me taking it out of the plastic so I could get it activated. Sorry for the weird aspect ratio, but yeah, it was very satisfying. Sorry for the lack of audio here. Here's the back of the iPhone 7, matte black. Here's the front of the phone, new home button. We had some ear pods with a lightning connector, wall charging brick, which you don't get with the iPhone 12, 2020. And we get a lightning cable. Get some information, SIM card tray, and we get our Apple stickers. So yeah, here's the iPhone 7 again. Let's take a closer look. Compare it to the iPhone SE first generation. Let's look at it. Yeah, you can tell the design. Thanks for watching.